Hi, I'm Zini. Today's video is my doodle diary for the month of January. A doodle diary is a type of journal or notebook where you can draw, doodle, write, and express yourself creatively. It can be a great way to express your thoughts, feelings, and ideas, as well as a fun way to keep a record of your daily life. Now let's jump into my January doodles. I have been posting content on social media for a month now, and in the war of YouTube versus Instagram, YouTube has clearly won the race. In January, my brother visited India from Italy after almost 4 years, and it was a reunion that our family was eagerly waiting for. He had been living in Italy for the past 4 years, and we all missed him dearly. It was a great opportunity for all of us to catch up and spend some quality time together. We both love panda very much, so I drew him as a panda. Seeing Pinu Bunny and him playing together is a pure joy. Strawberry cream is a flavor that holds a special place in my heart. From the first time I tasted it, I knew that it would become one of my favorite treats. The combination of the sweet and juicy strawberries with the richness of cream creates a flavor that is both satisfying and delightful. I am feeling so excited and special that my papa took time and efforts and crafted a handmade sofa for me. The process of making the sofa took several weeks, but when the sofa was finally finished, I was over the moon. I am feeling so proud when I show it off to my friends. They are amazed that my papa handmade it all by himself. I am proud to tell them about all the hard work that went into creating it. Eating a homemade donut can be a delightful experience, and that was exactly the case when I had one made by my sister-in-law. She is an amazing cook and always knows how to make everyone in the family feel special with her delicious treats. I could taste the love and care that went into making it and brought a happy smile to my face. Marie Kondo's philosophy of decluttering and organizing has taken the world by storm, and I decided to put her ideas into practice by organizing my own cupboard. The process was both challenging and rewarding, and I learned a lot about the power of simplicity and organization. The end result was a beautifully organized space that brought joy and peace to my life. I would highly recommend this process to anyone looking to simplify their space and bring a sense of calm to their life. I binged watched Emily in Paris on Netflix, which was a delightful escape from reality that kept me entertained from beginning to end. An aspect of the show that I liked the most was the portrayal of Emily as a strong, independent, and confident young woman. She was not afraid to take risks and pursue her dreams, even if it meant leaving her comfort zone. I found her character to be inspiring, and I admired her for her courage and determination. The show was a perfect blend of romance, fashion, and culture, and I found myself drawn to the charming characters, beautiful settings, and captivating storyline. Starting a YouTube channel is a big step, and reaching 100 subscribers is a huge milestone. For me, reaching this milestone was a proud moment and a validation of all the hard work and effort that I put into my channel. I am grateful for my subscribers and the support they have given me, and I look forward to continue to create the content and grow my channel in the future. I wrote taglines to all of my doodles. And here I am adding some interest and depth to my doodles using mixture of a little bit of black color and lots of water. At this stage, I noticed that I forgot to color Panda's legs, so I'm coloring that as well. Next, I'm adding some confettis here and there, and my doodle diary for the month of January is completed. I love how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, tag me into your doodle diary on Instagram at #DreamyZini. I would love to see that. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And here's a handpicked video for some more inspiration. Have a magical day. Happy doodling!